We met a lot of our friends that are still friends today at the local playgrounds, just spending time with other young families with young kids. And I think this would just create another opportunity for young families to gather together and give a young family another reason to move to Newton.
One thing that I would love about having a splash pad here in town is not having to take the kids to Grinnell or Des Moines to go to the splash pad. And also that means spending money in Grinnell or Des Moines when we could be spending it here to get our snacks and stuff, or going to Cardinal Corner afterwards and supporting local businesses. So yeah, that's one thing I would love.
It would be a tremendous asset to our town. I think it would be a big attraction and draw for young families. I know that my children and myself would spend a lot of time there.
I believe that a splash pad would be great for our community because, one, we will attract younger families to the area, and two, retain some families in the area. I, for one, have taken my child several times to various places in the area to take advantage of the splash pad. So we are losing an opportunity to attract new young families, but also to retain the young families that are wanting more opportunities for outdoor, not expensive things to do. So the splash pad has been something that's been on many parents' minds for some time now, and would be very grateful if we could get one for our community. Thank you.
The city is really trying to build up, trying to get more businesses and traffic through that plaza. We've got an awesome brewery with a ton of medals there that's also family friendly. It would create just a really neat place in a really awesome centralized location.
We would love to have a splash pad here in town to give us some summer and spring and even fall fun. Right now we drive out of town to utilize a splash pad, so it would be awesome to be able to stay right here in Newton and be able to have some water fun without having to commit to a full day at the pool.
If Newton had a splash pad downtown, I think it would attract a lot of young families to our community, which ultimately would promote and support all of our great local businesses that we have here.
It would give me and my family a fun, safe place that we could go and just spend time together, or even spend time with our friends or building new friendships. There's so few places in town that are open to the public that anyone can come and just be together in a safe spot, and also entertain our kids at the same time. So I think it would be a very valuable asset to our community.
I'm bored. Newton needs a place where you can play in the water. Like a splash pad? Yeah, Newton needs a splash pad!
If Newton had a splash pad, what would it be, Maya?
Five!
Yeah!
It would be an amazing gathering place, and it would be an awesome, place to gather.
I'd like to play in it with my friends and be outside, because I like to be outside. It would be awesome, fun. I would like to play in it for the whole day. It would be fun for kids, families, and neighborhoods to come down and have fun with parties and stuff. I love to play in it. A splash pad?
Would you like that?
So much.
Do you guys want to sit in this tub or go to a splash pad?
When do we go to the real splash pad? Let's get a splash pad.